beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all well and safe. So today's video is brought to you by Luvmehair, and I'm going to be doing a live review on this hair. I'm going to be doing the unboxing, the install, and if we have to do any customization, I'm going to be doing that on camera as well. But before we get started, if you have not already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would very much appreciate it, you guys. So without further ado, let's get started with the video now. All right, you guys, so this is the packaging that the hair comes in. I already have my hair prepped underneath. I have my cap on with the makeup, already put alcohol on the area. So all we're gonna do is basically get started, and hopefully I think this wig is gonna be just a simple install. This is the packaging that the hair comes in, which is very pretty. You guys, I love purple, and it has like this little cute bow on it, and that is beautiful. So this is actually my first time getting hair from this company and also working with this company as well. So that's all exciting. When you get the hair, it does come in this beautiful package. Y'all, I did have to open the package a little bit just to see what the goodies were, and let me tell y'all, it's the bomb. So this is the packaging that the hair comes in. It comes wrapped in here, and this is like a honey blonde ombre. It's really, really pretty. I'm gonna be showing you guys that in a second. But you get like this little thank you note. You get their card which says thank you and tells you more about the company. If you want to return your hair, it has all the information back here. This is my favorite part, actually, you guys. It does come with the cap as well. Show you guys, but this is my favorite part. This little package is so cute. So it has this band. I'm gonna be using this today. I've been wanting one of these so bad. So this is the little band that you wrap around your head, the little satin scarf. It has an adjustable strap just in case you want to use it, and it has some pins in here. This is cute. A little Love Me clip. And then the best part is a comb, y'all. Y'all already know how these combs work. I lose my comb like every day, so this is perfect. And of course, you can reuse this bag. I'm gonna probably use it for my combs and some little essentials for my hair, just to have it as a quick grab. So that's amazing. So the best part is the hair. Showing you guys right now how the hair looks. Ooh, this is so pretty. So it is a T-part, like I think I mentioned before, and this is the inside of it. T-part wigs, you have limited parting space, so you only can part in the middle. Some people do pluck on the sides, but this wig, you don't need to pluck anything. This is the adjustable strap, and it's very stretchy. So that's that in the back, and then you have the combs and the adjustable straps in the back as well. I'm probably not gonna adjust it as much because I think it's a good fit. And this is the hair, you guys. This color is so pretty. I think it's like a Beyonce color. And I've actually been wanting a wig this color so bad. And I was researching how to dye hair this color because I wanted to do this. So this is perfect that this hair came in this color. It's very thick, you guys. Like, this wig is really thick. I can only imagine when I wet it and when it dries how thick it's gonna get, even when you put product in it, but it's very, very pretty. It's 18 inches, so it is gonna be pretty long on me. I am 5'2", 5'3", and so this is gonna be perfect. I'm gonna get started with just putting it on my head first so you guys can see how it looks. And my bowl cap. So I'm gonna use the adjustable band, which makes it easy to put the wig on. All right. This hair fits like a glove. It's already perfect. So as you can see, the hairline, it looks a little dense, but we're gonna fix that. We're gonna put some baby hairs and everything. So, ooh, this is so cute. This is so pretty. You guys can see the back of it. All right. Pretty. Wow. All right, so we're gonna get started with customizing it. I'm gonna make sure I have the part where I want it, and then we're gonna do baby hairs. And that's pretty much gonna be it. We're gonna wet it a little bit, see how it curls and dries. I'm gonna be showing you guys how it looks wet and then also how it looks completely dry. Okay, so the hair is pretty much a side part. So I'm gonna just make sure that my parting is straight. And I'm gonna hot comb it a little bit just to get the hairs out the way. And to give you some more specs on this hair, it is 180% density, a deep wave texture, and the color is a 1B/30. This wig is very full, and also the curls on it are perfect. If you want that bigger look, it's gonna get really big once the curls dry if you do decide to wet it. Also, it's not really shedding much. I didn't experience a lot of shedding, and to do the hair was very easy. Here I'm just really parting out some of the sections. I did pluck just a little bit off camera, but that's pretty much all I did, just to make it go down the front, because before it was a little dense. Also, I put just water in it. I didn't put any product, and the curls were very beautiful. So that's pretty much all that you need to know about the hair. It is, one more thing too, is pretty much a side part. So if you are looking to have a middle part, I don't believe you'll be able to achieve that with this particular unit because it's more so on the side, but I did prefer that on this wig. It was very pretty, and the way that it's constructed, I think a side part is perfect. Beautiful. This is the final look of the hair. I put some makeup right here so you guys can see. And yeah, it's so pretty. And the only thing I had to do was just play with the baby hairs. I'm not a pro at baby hairs yet, but yes, this is how the baby hairs look. I think they came out really good. And I'm gonna be showing you guys some pictures as well, but pretty much this is another 360. And these are the curls. They look really pretty. I just put water on them. I didn't put any product on this hair. I don't think I need to. So yeah, thank you guys so much. And please don't forget to like and subscribe, you guys. As always, it's my pleasure. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.